Hello and welcome to Jason's cooking classes. Today we're going to be doing 3 types of cooking dishes. The first one we're going to do is the romaine salad with avocado dressing and lemon juice. The second one we'll do is the beet salad. And the third one we'll do is the collard greens salad. Now we're also going to implement utilizing the beet greens, which is the top portion of the beets. And we're also going to use the same method as we will with the collard greens to make that. It's actually going to be somewhat of a sauteed greens. Let's get started. Number one, I went shopping at Sprouts today. It was a good experience. You can buy all kinds of organic food over there, and it's very easy and affordable here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So here in my kitchen, I got fresh lemons. I got all kinds of fruits here, avocados. I also have bananas because to top off our cooking lesson, we're also going to work on a green smoothie, which is going to consist of parsley and organic bananas, along with water and lemon juice. All right, let's get started. First thing you want to do is get out your big bowl. All right, so tools, we got a big bowl. We have a grater for the beets. We need a knife. Here's the knife. And we have the sink here. Let's get started on the romaine lettuce first. The first thing you want to do is wash your lettuce. Even though it's organic, it needs to be washed. So you want to cut off about 1 inch, throw that away, and then wash all of these. Now green leaf lettuce is pretty good. You can use green leaf, red leaf, romaine, anything that's a leafy green vegetable. You can even use kale if you want. But today we're just using the regular romaine. So I'm going to wash this up and then we'll continue to chop it up. So you just wash them all up so you don't have any dirt in it. Sometimes there's snails that you can sometimes find in them. This batch seems to be pretty clean. Right now we're in December. Most likely this romaine came from California, but they also come from Mexico when it gets too cold. Mexico does make organic vegetables these days. They caught up with the system. But even if you do eat a couple pieces of dirt, it's okay. Or if you do eat a couple pieces of bugs, it's fine because it's just protein. So we have a special tool that we have for cutting the salad. My special tool acts like a scissor at the same time like a knife. We're just gonna cut it like this. You just want it to be in small pieces so they're easy to eat. So once this is almost finished, we're gonna start on the salad dressing. What you want to do with dressing is make something that's really good and smooth and creamy. We're going to make a avocado dressing with 1 avocado and 1 lemon. Using the Vitamix 5000, it does a really good job with making a smooth avocado dressing. We'll see how this avocado is. That looks pretty good. You want to use a full avocado and also about 1/2 a lemon. After adding this avocado to the blender, I'm going to add some water. So there's 1/2 of avocado and then the other 1/2. And this will complement the 1 romaine lettuce that I used. And we also have a machine to make lemon juice. Let me get that. This is your lemon juicer. It works really well. Squeeze it on here. Okay, that's 1/2 a lemon juice right there for you. So that goes in here. That's complete. And now we just need some water. So you can use purified water here. You just want to have about 1 inch of water. That's good about there. Then we're going to blend it up using our Vitamix 5000. It works really well. Now here we go. It's pretty quiet, but it can get loud. So it only takes a few seconds and your salad dressing is complete. We're going to put the salad dressing on, empty all of the contents into the salad bowl, and that's pretty much it. This is how you make a romaine salad with avocado and lemon juice. And to season it, I have all kinds of seasonings. We got all seasoned salt, adobe seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and I also have onion powder, Italian seasoning. You just put a couple dashes in there, put some onion powder in there, and then some Italian. This one doesn't come out that much. And then this one. Today we'll use our fork, and you just mix it up like that. So it's pretty easy, and once it's all mixed up, you'll be good to go, and you can put it into a serving plate. So here's a small portion, and we'll just put it in here to see if it fits. It could do 2 or 3 portions. It's good for a small family basically. So this is called the romaine salad with avocado dressing and lemon juice. It's pretty healthy, it's all organic, it's easy to make, it takes about 10 minutes max. You can serve about 2 to 3 people with just 1 romaine, 1 avocado, half a lemon, and some water and some spices. Thanks for watching, and we'll work on the next recipe. Stay tuned for my next cooking lesson on how to make beet salad next.